Then, side bendings, movement. So this position is very good because you can work in many different parameters. So we saw the flexion. You can also have the side bending. You hold the patient tight and knees with your leg, okay, in order to be stable for him, okay. This is the action. So I hold the knees, sorry, I hold the feet, both of his feet, and I move laterally from my left to my right, or in case I do the opposite side, from my right to my left, okay. And the other hand can just monitor mobility or improving that, okay. So this can be a test, but also a technique. So again, the mobility is always coming from my entire body, okay? Pushing back.